Hello my beautiful friends, my name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, we're almost at the end of the month here, so I just wanted to let you know that the Ish palette, I do a monthly palette giveaway, and for this month it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette, and this giveaway is good through the end of June. I will put a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video that shows you how to enter for this. We will also be having a big giveaway when this channel reaches 200 subscribers, and then as well as I have a big one coming up for our 100th video. So make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned. I love Allure Beauty. I think they've really stepped up lately. I just wish it didn't take so long to get to me. I know other you guys have had it for a while now. I've been trying to stay off the spoilers, and I just wish it would get to me kind of sooner. If you are familiar with Allure, it does ship out every month. It is $15 a month. There is either 5 sample size, deluxe sizes. Every once in a while they'll throw a full size in, and there's supposed to be over $50 worth of product in. So let's dive into this box. There is a $20 gift card in here for Bauble Bear. It looks like it's kind of like the string art earrings. Here's kind of another picture here. This one's really pretty, I think. There's always a card that talks about all the different products in here. So the first product is SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray, Volume Refresh and Hold Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. That's kind of, never even heard of that combination before. So it'll be interesting to try this one out. It doesn't really talk about it in here except for texturizers, volumizes, and refreshes. From the Browgal, I have a product that I'm using right now on my eyebrows. This one is, a lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake, not this one. It has a perfect way of consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. Always focus more on the arches than you do for the rest of the brows, which is a tried and true makeup artist trick for achieving natural looking gradation and avoiding angry brows. So it has a spoolie on this end, and then this end is a wooden pencil. Mine's not a wooden one that I use. And it's kind of cool that it does have a built-in sharpener on the lid. It does retail for $23. So I'm putting this one in a giveaway. From Moroccan Oil, put a little dab of this on the ends of your hair to kind of help with the frizzies and weigh it down. It is their Moroccan treatment. Full size of this one retails for $44. It does have a little bit of a nut smell to it. Just put a little bit on and then just kind of put it on the ends, and it, especially people with frizzy hair, it kind of helps, for me anyway, to kind of bring down those frizzes so it's not so crazy. Ooh, I have this product. It is by Thermale. It is their convenient thermal spring water. Basically, it's just a mineral spring. Spray it on a little bit on your face throughout the day when you just want a little quick burst of hydration. Makes your skin look kind of a little dewy. Full size of this does retail for $18.50. I thought there was an actual floss going on. It says floss on this side, and then but this side it talks about that it is a lip gloss. And what this is lightweight, comfortable on the lips, a little doe foot applicator, spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess, and the tube is squeezable so you can get every last drop out. Looks like it's a pretty clear gloss. I have gloss on now, so it's not gonna really do anything. But here is what this looks like. And this does retail for $16. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. And lastly is by Context. It's a vitamin C all day eye cream. Who loves a good eye cream? It has slightly cooling, never irritating eye savior midday touch-ups. Just squeeze a drop and pat it over the concealer. A few soft taps even out late in the day. Crustiness wipes away mascara smudges and generally makes the eye look happy and hydrated again. It's also an Ace makeup base because its ideal name. It's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly, and it helps with depuffing and subtle brightening and immediately after using it. Active ingredients are vitamin C and E, star antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. This retails for $35. You kind of see it on the hand there. And yeah, it just goes on just like water. It goes right in. Just wanted to look at the ingredients here really quick. So it has a lot of like glycerin. It's called a vitamin C product, but the vitamin C is toward the end of the ingredients. And I know it's just the first couple that they have to mandate, you know, these are the higher concentration ones. I just wish, you know, a vitamin C one, that it would be listed higher, I guess, in the ingredients. That's all. So this box was kind of, I think Allure's done a lot better. I mean, it was okay. It was okay. Not great, not really bad, just okay. I've tried this before, love it. The Moroccan Oil, I'm excited to use. What were your favorite items? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean a lot to me when you like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.